Today's I'll Try It For You item is Show Me the World Coffee. And we have the founder of Show Me the World, Sylvester Chisholm, joining us today. Tell me a little bit more about the mission.
Well, we support youth from under-resourced communities with life-changing educational experiences at home and abroad. Literally, I was just in Costa Rica 3 days ago with 30 students from the inner city of St. Louis, learning about science, culture, and visiting working coffee farms. So they learned the full farm-to-cup process there.
Well, Schnucks is going to carry 3 of your flavors for our shelf trial. This is Morning Sunrise here.
You should notice a little sweetness, clean smoothness to the taste.
It's a little bit sweet, and it reminds me so much of my mother. My mother used to drink coffee all the time when I was little. And then I am also going to try your signature roast.
This is one of our artisan blends that brings together Costa Rican coffee and Colombian.
This reminds me of, you know, I want a cup of coffee.
Yes.
That's what this one tastes like. I want a cup of coffee.
Quality is important to us. It's roasted locally, fair trade, or if you want a product that is actually supporting the local community as well as a great cup of coffee, we're your choice.
Schnuck shoppers, you have got to try Show Me the World Coffee. Now, stay tuned for our next Springboard Accelerator item, Phathead barbecue sauces. Well, Schnucks is going to carry 4 of your flavors in our shelf trial. We've got smoky whiskey, pickled garlic, honeycomb, and jalapeno garlic. And I am going to try some of those flavors right now. I'm going to try the smoky whiskey and the pickled garlic.
The smoked whiskey gives you that smoke, and then it has that whiskey kick in on the back end, and good on pork steak ribs, pulled pork.
I can see this on pork, and I do get that smoky up front with the whiskey finish. And now I'm gonna try the pickled garlic. And tell me, what's the best flavor? What's your best selling flavor?
Pickled garlic. And it comes with a little slight dillness, and then it has a little taste of garlic on the back end.
Maybe like in a chicken salad or a potato
Yes,
salad or something like that?
Great on the chicken salad.
And your business is based just over the river in Bethalto, Illinois. Is that correct?
The sauce shop.
The sauce shop. Well, Schnuck shoppers, you have got to try Phathead barbecue sauces. Please go out and support our Schnuck Springboard Accelerator vendors by picking up some of these items on display between April 23rd and May 20th in our 15 trial stores. And as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.
Thank you.